Hey, it's Mike from Mike's Custom Woodcrafts. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to square up this Dewalt that I did a video on when I unboxed it and put it together kind of. So we're going to square it up. We're going to make sure the blade's good to the table and to the fence and make sure everything's good to go. A viewer of mine asked me to do something like this because I didn't do it and I'm doing it. So here we go. Okay, today we're checking for square on this Dewalt miter saw that I bought. I was going to do another video doing this, and today I'm getting around to it. So let's check for square. We'll have the blade come down and the squares against the bottom of the table. And as you can see, we're totally tight to the square with the blade and to the table top of the saw. Okay, we're going to do another one. We're going to lock this down. Okay, we have it in the lockdown position. And now I'm going to take the square. I'm going to put it against the blade and the fence, but that is totally tight to the blade. And it's tight to the fence. So we should be good that way. Okay, another thing I wanted to talk about is to square this fence up. It's pretty easy. On this detent scale for your different degrees, here's a bolt here, or a screw I should say. There's a screw here and a screw here. What you would do is you'd loosen those, and these have oblong holes under them, like an oval type hole. And what you would do is you take your square, you'd have your blade down, and you'd butt this to your blade, butt this to the fence like it is. And depending upon how you're at a square, you would slide this scale and you would move your scale here to wherever 0 lines up. It's not going to be much, it's just going to be a little bit. And then you can probably also adjust your pointer here slightly to compensate. So that's pretty much how you adjust. You use this detent scale and you go a little bit one way or the other. It'll never be that much. And then also, when you want to adjust your 45, your tilt, you do that by these bolts. By how you adjust this bolt up or down to this scale will determine where it lands. So you're either going to raise this slightly or lower it slightly. That's pretty much that. Those are 2 easy adjustments, and some people are like, there's no adjustment on these things, you can't do it, you got to return them and take it back and different things. There are adjustments, you just have to know where they are. Okay, now let's make a 90 cut, and we'll check it for square on the end of the cut. Oh, we got to plug her back in. Okay, that is pretty darn square. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll cut it again and we'll check it for a 45. Okay, and as you can see, they're 45. Yeah, if I can get this, I'm trying to hold all three things at once here. Our 45 looks good. The joint is tough. Okay, now we'll check the 45 with the combination square. And we look pretty darn good there. Okay, so this concludes the video on the squaring, and this thing's pretty darn good where it's sitting right now. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again. Thank you.